Hello, my name is Jenee and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do an unboxing for you, if you will, for NOBL Luggage. I've seen so many commercials and ads on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and you name it. I've seen ads for this luggage, and so I ordered some because I wanted to see what all the hype was about. And today I'm going to open them. And initially I only ordered the one for me because when I travel, I want it to be compact. And I saw how compact it was supposed to be and so great. So I thought, well, okay, let me try it. I have some trips coming up, so let me try it. So I'm going to open this one up for me. But when I was checking out, they had the bigger luggage, which was cheaper than my luggage. I ended up getting that one for my husband because he doesn't like to carry on his bags. And I'm going to see how this works with me carrying on my bag. I may not end up using the carry-on because depending on what airline we're flying on, like I get checked bags for free. But anyway, so today I'm going to unbox these two suitcases and let you see them. They're not the same color because he didn't want the same color I had, but I'll let you see in this video what they look like. And then after I take one on a trip, I'll come back and do another video and let you know how it worked out. How did it maneuver in the airport? Just all the things that one would want to know about these bags because there's a lot of hype online about them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and let's open them up. So I'm going to start with my bag. So when I bought these, so apparently it comes, you can get the lifetime, what do you call it? Replacement warranty on it for an additional $100. But there was a special going when I got mine that it came free with the bag. So let's see. So the packaging looks nice. Let's see. It's like opening a present on Christmas. Okay. So one of the reasons I was interested in this bag is because, number one, our current luggage, we've used it a lot in the past year and a half or two, and it's like really beat up. So I saw one lady said she had this luggage and her house burned down or something, and her luggage was the only thing that survived. So I'm thinking maybe this will hold up. But anyway, I'm always one that travels in my, I'm always having to hold my drink. So I thought this was a plus. My husband said he could care less about that. There's also, the handle goes up. I'm twirling it and the wheels look great. There are two, let's see, how do I make this good up? That's nice and easy. There are two TSA approved locks here. And there's also a lock up here up top. I've never seen anybody talk about that one. So there's that one up there. And I was interested to see this one. I guess, oh, there's a USB charging port. And the smaller one. Okay, let me open it up so you can see on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I'll lift it and let you see. This is what it looks like on the inside. Again, this is empty. I'll pack it when it's time for me to go and let you see, but it looks like that. I'm pretty sure this is the wet compartment here. And you can unzip. Let's see. You can unzip over here. And this is, looks like a storage. Oh no, this is the, oh, this is the liner, I'm thinking, to protect the bag on the outside. So this was the liner to cover the case. And this is, says the limited edition locks. So I'm not sure what is in here. Oh, it's the instructions on how to use the bag. So that's cool, because I really do need that, because I was trying to figure out how to get into the outer case where you would put like your computers and all of that. Trying to figure out how to get in there without breaking it. Oh, duh. So it's this button here. You just flip it. Where'd it go? Oh, up there. You just flip it to the side and it pops open. So you can see in there. And this is set for like a laptop or whatever you want to have on the outside of your bag to put in here. And it actually will hold it in place. So I just need to see if it comes with a battery. I wasn't sure if it came with a battery, so I ordered a battery to be able to charge stuff, because I didn't want to get somewhere and not have a battery. But so this is my bag, and I will let you guys know how I like it. And let me really quickly unbox my husband's bag. His is a little bigger, so it may take me a little longer to open. Let me move it over here. We're gonna I think he got the black one. I don't remember. Oh yeah, it's darker. So I'm gonna try to reach for the handle maybe. And his is the exact same, but bigger. Oh wow, I should have waited till I had help with this one. So it looks like they put it upside down. So maybe, oh, there they did. So let me flip it on its side, then flip it over. Oh, and his case actually came on his. So this is what I just got out of my bag. So this came free with the case, but his bag doesn't do what mine does across the top. But he has the 2 TSA approved locks on his. And does his pop out? No, it doesn't look like his pop out. But I think my bag has the purse hook on it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, it has it right there on the side, the little hooks to be able to hold your purse. So let me know if you guys have this luggage and what you think about it. If you like it, what do you like about it? If you don't like it, what don't you like about it? What are your do you have another luggage you prefer? If so, oh, he does have the purse hooks, but he doesn't have a purse. So, if you have another luggage, like you tried this one and you have another one that you prefer, let me know what that other luggage is in the comments and like where I could find it so that maybe I can try it too. But that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to share. Like I said, there's been a lot of hype about these bags. And so I wanted to get my hands on them, to try them, and let's see if they're really as life-changing as people make them out to be. It's been a long day recording, but this is my last video, and I should have plenty of content now to make sure my stuff is loaded on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see the latest content I'm putting out. Again, I am shifting to user-generated content, UGC, and let me know what you think about my UGC. It's going to be on all the things that I enjoy, all the places I like to go. I'm going to share my experiences when I go to a hotel, if I go to a resort, if I have a meal and it's just amazing and you just got to go try it, or a favorite dish. I'm going to just start focusing my content there. But I know some of you are here for my knee replacement or my angel aligners. So I'll make sure I kind of keep those things up as well. But most of my content is shifting to the things that I'm actually consuming and using. So I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you again for watching, and go be great.